Now, I'm tall enough, right?
That's about right, yeah.
About right. I don't know, I had the whole Alice in Wonderland thing going on, so sometimes I'm tall or short, short, tall, tall, short. Hello. All right, so let's take a look at this place. More wear and tear there, you can see. I mean, just 2 weeks. We're already getting paint peeling off. Yeah, usually these props are running, but they're not running today. Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Cuida a los pequeñitos. Chao.
Oh, look at the cute little one. So cute. Very, very cute. Look at Gadget, Inventor of the Year. Yep. See you later, Holmes. See that battery? It powers absolutely everything. See that little one? The battery powers everything. It does. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you for reminding me. We don't want to lose that. I lose that, I lose my identity.
If my calculations are correct, and they always are, you're gonna have a blast. Remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Please keep an eye
Go mad.
When have you stepped on your